You're having a few friends over for dessert this evening, but why go to your neighborhood bakery for something sweet when we got you covered here at A Side Guy Cooks with chocolate Black Raspberry Chambord Cake. So let's get started. Let's prepare the wet ingredients. Adding and mixing each egg one at a time ensures your cake will have a proper consistency. Let's add the dry ingredient. Set your timer for 60 minutes. Keep in mind that ovens do vary. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Now let's make the glaze. Black raspberries were first domesticated in North America in the 1830s. Production slowed in the 1920s, however they are used to make preserves, as well as black raspberry liqueur like Chambord. The toothpick test came out cleaned, and of course the cake is done. That looks really nice. Let's cut a slice and get a portion on a plate. Let's have a bite. Oh, that's really good. The chocolate, black raspberry preserves, and Chambord creates a wonderful flavor profile. And this cake, of course, has a very tender crumb. Your guests will definitely be coming back for more. Join the community. Leave a comment and or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Looks like the table's ready for your guests to enjoy. Stay with us. Watch another video.